Hey, my Gnarly Nation, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing all right, and welcome to Gnarly Reels Reaction. This is Will. Well, quick question: do you guys like Winnie the Pooh? Do you guys like horror movies? Well, I certainly love both of them. Um, and who would have thought they're gonna make a horror Winnie the Pooh? And I'm not sure on it. I seen some of the concept art, and I mean, it could be a good Halloween movie just to watch for the hell of it, I guess. Uh, I don't know what to think about it yet. I mean, obviously, anything could work with great writers, actors, directors, etc., etc. Uh, but I mean, I'm a little torn because I think I kind of want to see it, and well, it's what it is. But how about you guys? What do you guys think about Winnie the Pooh? Because I know a lot of people hold him close dear to their hearts, like they do with Bugs Bunny, Mickey. Though they're like sacred characters, uh, like Big Bird. I mean, they're like people, characters we grew up watching. And well, I don't know. It might not go well with a lot of you. But tell me what you guys think in the comments. We can talk about it. Like always, this is Will. Gnarly Reels Reactions. Rock on. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes.